What's up, guys? Welcome back to a new video in a long time. This video is centered around the CRV. I took a little hiatus, just to refresh the mind, get the creative juices going, and just take some time from making content. Felt a little burnt out, like the need to constantly try to find something every week to do to put a video out for you guys. So I was pretty much exhausted, and just wanted to take a break. It's been like 2.5, 3 months. A lot of the videos that you saw within that time were old videos that were already recorded, edited, and pre-uploaded, and then I had set a scheduled upload. So I haven't recorded nothing until a few weeks ago. Started recording snippets of things we were doing on the CRV, which now, if you guys follow me on Instagram, we dubbed it ScarV because of something that happened on my way to work. Hit a semi-truck tire on the highway, broke the lip. Lip's still on, but zip tied. So I was looking at him like, Scarface. And then David said, no, we should call it ScarV. And it stuck, so that's our name for CRV now. It's ScarV. But we've been doing work on ScarV, Mercer, myself, and Inder. A lot of things had to happen, some ups and downs, but this video is going to be, I guess you could say, all over the place, back and forth, like things that have been done, and I just kind of mashed it up together for you guys. And I probably most likely will not be uploading every week. So when I do make content, I will upload. I'm not gonna go through crazy lengths to make content ready and available. As it happens, I will upload, guys. With my new schedule, with my new job and everything like that, makes it a little bit more difficult, but I'm gonna try my best to get as much content as possible a month out. If I don't, just know that things are being worked on. It's just taking a little bit longer. Also, this year is going to be focused more around ScarV and the Mugen EL. I've decided to park the ES1 this year and just gather everything I need to do, and then come winter time, get it all ready for next season, because things are really expensive now, and I'm not gonna make this a priority. So it's okay if this one sits. I have two awesome cars that can fill the void of this one. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy the video, and make sure you guys leave a like and a comment. Let me know how you guys have been, and we'll go from there. So enjoy. Here at the shop with the homies, they're working on the CRV. Inder is right now tackling everything on the CRV. Yeah, boy. So we are doing a whole timing kit component, guides, chains, oil pump chain, oil pump guide, and a brand new VTC from Honda, because ours actually started to malfunction. We're also going to be doing the drag cartel strainer on it, a nice billet piece, nice little touch, and a brand new oil pan, because ours is starting to rust out in the bottom. So since we're already tackling all this, we're going to be changing everything and getting it fresh. Also, that's a leak down test from our CRV. So yeah, not the greatest numbers, but not the worst numbers either, but it is contributing to the burning oil. So we're not going to be doing the valve seals, considering the wear of the engine, not worth it. So just keep topping up oil when we have to, and that's it. But that's a little update at where we're at, and we'll catch on with more. Alright guys, this is our brand new VTC Kevin got from Honda. This was a big problem that we were having on the CRV. Now we have a nice, look how beautiful that thing is, brand new. Now we have a nice piece that's gonna help with the issue the CRV was having, and we're good to go. Also,
let's go and insert it.
look how big his beard's gotten. You know, this is how long we haven't made a video together. His beard used to be up to there, and now it's like up to here. Ugly guy with us. You know, it's not a reunion if Diogo Mophead's not here. He got sacked. All right, guys. So back at the shop. The guys got all the timing stuff done, the new VTC gear, the whole timing chain components, guides, everything's brand new. And Ender's been doing a crazy job, as you guys can see. He's just getting the strainer ready to mount. They replaced the seal inside the casing that was worn out over time. Mounts all put back together. Now, I believe it's just a strainer, and then I think we're changing out that one pulley that I have from a spare from the EPS system that we're not going to use on Ashley ZL to help with that humming noise because the bearing's going. But yeah, making my way back to YouTube, doing with the crvg. Look at this beautiful. I had to get something nice, you know what I mean? Like, you're not going to do all this work and not do something at least aftermarket, right? So that's going to be a nice little piece. We're not putting the VTEC cover back on because I got a fuel rail that's got to get installed at a later date. So expect more work done on the CRV, aka crvg, as you guys can see from that damn blowout on the highway that destroyed the front lip. We got to get a new lip and recreate it. But I'm excited to be doing YouTube again and excited to, you know, do more CRV content. Here we go, guys. Look at that nice billet piece right there. Jet Cartel. Our first Jet Cartel engine piece. There's still going to be a lot more to come on the CRV. Yeah, just, you know, hoping that this engine lasts us a lot longer until we find a JDM one, and then, you know, we can transfer all this stuff over onto that one. But for now, this one's got to keep making us money every week. So, coming out good, man. Ender's killing it. All right, guys. I'm not sweating because I was actually working. I'm sweating because it's hot in here. But I want to show you guys something. This is a stock RSX engine mount, and this is the crvg's original back mount. So what I did here is I bought these RSX mounts with innovative inserts in hopes that they would, you know, work on the CRV mounts, and they do. So now this is gonna solve a big issue of like the mounts breaking and making them a little bit stiffer at a cheaper cost. I got them on Marketplace for 60 bucks. That's the inserts for the front mount, which we gotta do. This is the stock RSX mount, which the bolt up pattern is completely different, but the pattern where the inserts go in is identical. As you can see, we did it on the stock CRV mount. So big shout out to Ender for helping us. We're gonna put this mount back in, and then we're gonna take out the front one. It's broken at the moment, but I think Kevin's gonna get us another OEM replacement. We're gonna slap the inserts on it, and then at a later date we're gonna fill the driver side mount, which is in there, with urethane, and then we'll have our budget style stiff mounts on the crvg. All right, guys, so we have the OEM CRV front mount and the RSX mount inserts from Innovative that I was showing you guys, and I just want to show you. That's the pattern. That's the pattern. This is a nice way to make yourself a nice budget solid mount using the stock mounts and these urethane mount inserts. Pretty sure the transmission mount, if you get the transmission insert, it would work. But me and Mercer are gonna, like I said, fill the driver's side one with urethane, and that should help. This one does have a crack, but this should help it stay stiff until we buy a brand new front mount. So that's gonna do for now, and I'll be right back. Final thing we've done, I just put a vibrant breather filter on the valve cover on the CRV to help with the oil consumption with all the blow by until we do the catch can. So it's going to be a temporary little thing to let this motor breathe. So yeah, that's pretty much what we've been up to with the CRV this whole past time. I put this little rubber thing here until tomorrow when I go to G16 and get another one of these. Put it right here, But for now, this little rubber cap should be sufficient until tomorrow. But yeah. And now that you guys are all caught up with everything with Scarvy, I also have done something on the Mugen EL. That'll be another video, but for now, you guys are all caught up on the things that had to have happened to the Scarvy and things that needed to be done. It's been a crazy little time. Fix things, break things. You know how it is. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do me a favor, smash that like. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe already. And looking forward to the season and making more content for you guys when it's readily available. So, guys, have a good one. Like, comment, subscribe. Also, yeah, I am recording on my phone because, yeah, just fitting because all the pieces of this video were recorded on a phone, so I figured I would just keep it all cell phone kind of thing. So, yeah. So if you see me looking this way when I should be looking this way, sorry. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next video.